Hello, my friends. Let's make a very distinct recipe today. It's a rusk, but it's a chocolate one, and that too you can see it's full of tidbits of pistachios. So let's start making this. It's a very easy with just these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basic ingredients. Seventh one is optional, but I had to add milk. It's milk. I had to add milk. So that is it. With just these 6 to 7 basic ingredients, which are always at home, you can start making it. And I know many people cannot start their mornings without, or evenings also, without rusks. So let's give them something different. It's chocolatey and very flavorful. It's a chocolate rusk or chocolate biscotti. So these eggs have to be fluffed up into this texture, that is into this is what we want, the ribbony texture, with the addition in between whisking you have to keep on adding spoonfuls of sugar, castor sugar, and get it all fluffed up, because that will be the basic. Raising agent is very few, is just one, so it will rise on the fluffiness of the egg only. Now we will sift all the dry ingredients together very well, at least 2 to 3 times, because the chocolate and the flour has to be mixed very well, very thoroughly, and the raising agent, and we will add vanilla essence, and then we will gently fold in the dry ingredients into this whisked up egg whisked up eggs. Now, the thing is that I had to go in for this addition of milk because it turned out very dry. There is not even one speck of oil in this. That is the best part. Otherwise, you know, I have shared my other recipe for rusk also, how much oil goes into making a rusk. Now, after adding pistachio, you can substitute the pista with almonds. They are equally tasty and equally lovely to have, to bite into almonds, or even chocolate chips. That will also be allowed by one and all, and then spread it out, because I'm not going to cut it. That this is the easiest way. Spread it out into a log shape, or into two logs, or into two separate trays. I've done it in a one single tray. At 170 degrees you have to bake it for 35 minutes. Now it is let it cool. You have to check whether the center is cooked through. Then you have to cut it into two. You can see how wonderful and how risen and how evenly risen it is. And with all those pista bits, it's looking so yummy, and it is yummy. You can have this, you can serve this as straight away, just like this, with a cup of milk or tea to your kids and teenagers and elders, or you may convert it into a chocolate rusk by double baking it for another 10 minutes. It depends. Actually, there is no fixed time that it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you want a very kadak rusk, that is a very crisp rusk, then you have to bake it at the same temperature, 170 degrees, for 10 15 minutes if you want a crispy one, or just like this it will also do. So this I have done it only for 10 minutes, and 10 minutes on one side, and on the other side I just flipped it over, and 5 minutes on the other side. So I'll show you the this also, the tidbits. You can see the bits of pistachio, and the taste is very yummy, very exclusive taste. So do go ahead and serve all your chai loving
It
and
depends.
your rusk loving members this unique recipe of a chocolate rusk. So please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes, and please do share these recipes to your friends and family. Thank you.